I'm so hungry.
Can't the sign be any bigger? There's a manufacturer that can do anything.
Polymer Americas is a manufacturer of PVC and polycarbonate products. It all starts with plastic pellets that get shipped in, 600,000 pounds each week. So how do they turn these little pellets into things like skylights and siding?
Most of Polymer's products are 80% new plastic and 20% recycled. When making polycarbonate, they start by melting the plastic.
They slowly cool the plastic and use dyes to shape the plastic and make ridges. This makes it stronger and more durable.
The sheets of plastic get put into giant reels for the sign companies to make their desired products.
They're able to make different colored plastics and customize it to meet specific orders.
One type of their polycarbonate product is made into sheets and wound up on reels.
Another product they produce, PVC, is more complicated to make. They mix together different pellet types, kind of like baking a cake.
The plastic is cut to the needed dimensions, and the extra gets recycled into pellets to go through the cycle all over again.
I want everyone that works here to go home in the same condition they got here. There is a whole bunch of talented, smart, and helpful people that work here. We really believe that our employees are our most valuable resource.
The coolest part about my job is probably the variety of work.
We serve multiple markets. They solve their problems and they're successful. That's the favorite part of the process for me. Having a never-ending stream of opportunities for us to improve.
Production planning, it's like a giant jigsaw puzzle. We have a great team. What's great about this company, we're always looking for opportunities to improve, and we have been growing every single year.
I think the coolest part is that we actually make something here.
And I like to see and feel the product, think local, act global, very cool. It's very high-tech.
I put roofs over people's heads. It's a cool industry. We make a lot of different stuff here. It's a very relaxed environment.
I never do the same thing twice, and it gives me the ability to consistently learn new things.
Hopefully you'll consider this cool industry for a career. Thank you, Power, for showing us this amazing process.
And it is my sincere pleasure to work with Mike Hauser and Mitch Stoll.